My friends, it's truly a beautiful day. By request, these are 5 stretches that I do every single day. You could say they're definitely 5 of my all-time favorite stretches. I do them at night usually. They relax me, but if I do them during the day, they also energize. They work the whole body. There's no weights or equipment of any kind, and I keep coming back to these after all these years, over 20 years. There's more, but I whittle it down to the top 5. So let me know in the comments below which one of these was your favorite, and click that like button and let's go. Number 1, these are sequences, some of them. So they're full dynamic movements. We're gonna come to downward facing dog. Press it back, and I'll show you how I do them. I'm gonna inhale, bend the knees into endowed dog squat. I'm going to exhale, lengthen the backs of the legs into the down dog, and then ripple halfway forward. So my hands come about a little bit behind my shoulders, rounding my back, tucking my chin. Then I go back to down dog. I bend the knees. I lengthen, and I rock forward. Really loosens up my spine. I pull my abs in to flatten them out, to tone them, to work them. And then each time I press back, I get a deeper stretch in the hamstrings and the glutes. A challenge all the way through, but it works the entire area. Bend and lengthen, rock forward, and press it back. Number 2 is one you have never done before. I guarantee that. Let's go into eagle arms. So take your right arm forward. Your left arm is going to go underneath. Wrap it around as much as you can. Maybe it's here, or bring the palms together. Now we're going to come up into a standing position. Take the feet wide. It's an eagle forward fold. Pull the arms into your chest. Feel the back and shoulders opening so much. Tuck the chin, soften the knees, and dive down. We're going to rock side to side. Make sure you do both sides on this one. Swaying. Each sway brings a little more release. Let these moves be so powerful that we can barely live without them. I feel it in my shoulders, my back, my chin is tucked. I'm getting looseness in my lower back. And then of course I said, switch it. Other arm, dive down. Have you done this one before? Let me know. I think the only place you would have done it is one of my classes or one of my videos. I think I've brought this out of my vault a few times. But a magnificent stretch for your back and shoulders, blood to the brain, releasing the brain, and lots of breath. Whew. And then bring it up and take a moment, let the blood move out of the head. Number 3, I do this one at night when I'm writing or watching old movies or watching Newhart. Come down onto your stomach, take your right leg out. Boom, right here is a fantastic stretch for the hip, the glutes, nice release, but we're going to add on to it. We're going to thread the needle, Coach Vigue style. Left arm forward, take the right arm, slide it underneath, and then rotate that upper body. You could also extend this leg out further. Now we get into Spider-Man territory. But you're wringing out the entire spine, the entire back. Then breathe, always lots of breath. You can inhale, lift, make it active. Exhale, reach through and twist. And of course, both sides. Always balance it out. Hold each side as long as you wish. You could do timed or breaths. I never do it the same way twice. I will add things on, like maybe the leg comes out, or maybe I discover if I reach over here, there's a red army ant. You just keep going that way, Buster. Or you reach this way. There's always really neat variations. Dreigläser. Number 4, my spider series. Speaking of spiders, bring it down onto your back. Do this in bed, do it at night. Make sure you got room. Left leg out on the floor, right leg comes up. We're gonna stretch this right leg. This is the spider stretch right here. Lengthen as much as you can, and then pull the leg over. This is a full sequence unto itself. It could be a complete workout. We bring it over, now bring it back up. Enjoy the stretch all the way down the leg, this leg reaching away. And then take the leg out to the side. Ooh, here come the turkeys. Literally, you're gonna see them in a moment. Out to the side, back and forth. Take your time, stretch. I see you, and then pull. I'm in Florida, I'm outside, so there's critters everywhere. There's a huge snake that lives in this area too. Saw him the other day. How are you? All right, and then of course both sides. Both sides. We get this huge stretch, we pull it over. If the turkey attacks, we'll go to a technical difficulty sign while I remove him from the set. Back and forth. All right, turkey break. And number 5, wide-legged down dog with twist. Bring the hands. Give you a front view here. Hands shoulder width, feet wide. Press back, open the fingers wide. Right here we have a wide-legged down dog. Fantastic stretch for your spine, your back, your hamstrings. Add the twist by reaching across to the opposite leg. Inhale forward. You can round the back forward and then stretch. Loosening up your low back, increasing your range of motion. Great control, great strength. Let's do it one more time. And that's all she wrote. All right, my friends, so those are 5 of my favorite stretches that I do just about every day for the last 20 years. If you'd like to see more videos like this with my favorite stretches, these are a few of my favorite stretches and the random turkey. Let me know in the comments below if this workout helped. Click that like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. It's always a pleasure, my friends. We train anywhere, anytime with me, Coach Vigue, and the turkey. We'll see you next time. God bless you. My friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.